Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 that we have for sale. This one was recently retired out of loaner car service. The way that works is we take a new car from our inventory, we put it in our loaner car service, and it is loaned out to our Infiniti customers for vehicles for extended repairs or maintenance. And that's actually one of the benefits of buying a new or certified pre-owned vehicle, is you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner car in situations where the vehicle is going to be in service for an extended period of time, generally longer than an hour or two. So that goes in the segue of this being an Infiniti certified pre-owned vehicle. You get all the benefits you normally get with a new Infiniti purchase: roadside assistance, trip interruption. You have a trial for the satellite radio and other cool features. It goes through an extensive check, and you have a 6-year, 75,000 miles certified warranty on top of the balance of the factory warranty, which, being an 18 with only 7,520 miles, there's still a lot of warranty left. And going back to being a loaner car, after about a year we retire them out of loaner car service, and then we make them for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. This one is very nicely equipped with features. It features upgraded leather interior versus leatherette. This really nice contrast stitching. The center part is perforated. It has the Bose Performance Series sound system. If you're a music lover, you'll definitely appreciate that. Beautiful wood interior trim. We have a drive mode selector to tailor transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control systems for different driving situations, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift control. You can also put it in manual shift mode, pull back to downshift, forward for upshifts, provides rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. And we have a dual display system. The Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind of a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation. Our parking camera has a 360-degree around view camera. You can also change views as well. Front and rear parking sensors. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. A lot of cool stuff with this Q50. You have a power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. And for 2018, the Q50 did have some revisions. We have a new steering wheel, new design on the shifter, a little bit extra visual appeal in the interior, more synthetic leather and stitching on the dashboard. They changed the grille covers to the stereo system for a little bit more of a premium feel, or a premium look, I should say. This one also features all-season Infiniti floor mats. Really nice color combination in silver and black. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform, also shared with the Nissan Z sports car. With that sports car DNA baked into it, it really is a fun car to drive. And the reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is that the engine is placed as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. That helps it rotate on its axis, so it handles a lot better through the corners. And this also features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. And if you're going to do a lot of driving in the snow, all-wheel drive is going to be better than rear-wheel drive. And the reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, 100% of the power will go to the rear wheels. That gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It is a performance vehicle. It also helps improve gas mileage, and it helps with premature tire wear, which sometimes can be an issue of all-wheel drive vehicles. As soon as those rear wheels start to slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. The all-wheel drive system actually uses an electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive system. So basically, when it sends electrical current to that differential, that sends up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels and makes those front wheels turn. And because it uses electricity and magnets, that's why it's able to send power to the front wheels so quickly. Obviously, we all know how fast electrical current can travel versus a fully mechanical system. Interior space is not too bad in the Q50. It is a compact vehicle in the compact luxury performance class. The rear door is open very wide. making entry and exit from the rear seats a lot easier. Cargo area protector in the rear trunk area that protects the carpeted part from getting wet, damp, and dirty. Still have the original first aid kit in the plastic, and this is your cargo net, still in the plastic, never used. It's pretty much in near pristine condition, hardly a mark on it. And since they did restyle the exterior and the interior for 2018, there's really no changes for 2019 or 2020. So if you like the options and color combination, this Q50 is an excellent value. In 2016, the Q50 received a new engine. The aging VQ37 engine, a fantastic engine, was replaced. It was kind of getting long in the tooth. Gas mileage wasn't quite as smooth as the competition, so Infiniti upgraded to this new VR30 twin turbo engine. Very powerful, makes 300 horsepower, features direct injection. The latest in gasoline engine technology, direct injection works by sending highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. That generally lowers emissions, gives you better gas mileage, and improves performance and horsepower. Also features maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. This Q50 is backed by a 5-day 100% money-back guarantee. We have that on all our new and pre-owned vehicles. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us. That's why we have that 5-day return policy. No restocking fees, no gimmicks. It is 100% money back, and feel free to contact us with more questions. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.